To edit, you start by clicking on the app. Here it is. So you go to library. If you can't find the list of videos you want here, go to the album and choose the file you want. But it's not necessary at the moment because here are the videos I want to edit. So when you click on each video, it appears at the bottom of the app. You can click drag and delete if you don't want a particular video. So here is to export all the files. It doesn't take time to export. That's the very good thing about this app. It's very fast and the quality of the video remains the same. After exporting, you can always add any video or picture you want in between, like before or after a particular file. You can still add a video in between. So here it is. For example, I'll be adding a different video, a video that has nothing to do with what I'm editing, so you can see the difference. So here it is, and I've deleted it. So simple. That's how to delete. To trim a particular video, you go to trim, choose the duration you want, and send. Go to the next video. You have to trim them one after the other. To remove background sound, you have to go to volume. You decrease or increase the sound. This arrow at the top left takes you back to the home page where you can add text and also speed. Below you find text, you find speed, reverse, and all that. So to add a text, we go to text, type the text you want. Here I'll be adding Crystal Marshall, which is the name of my YouTube channel. Next is to click the arrow at the right top and it will take you to where you can add the color of the text to change the format of the text. And when you're done, you move the text to wherever you want to place it and click the arrow at the middle here, the middle right, so as to save your text. If you don't do this and you go back to home, all the things you've done will be lost. So you'll have to start all over to write your text again. To add another text, go to the plus button below the app. So you do the same with the text message again. Move to any position you want. So next is to, you can always move the text to any location you want and the duration as well by doing this. To make sure they don't clash with each other, they're not going to be on top of each other. So you can add as much text as you want. Next is audio, to add music. So you go to audio and then music, choose either file in your device or you choose effects. The effects are usually from the app. You have some sound effects. The device is usually the music you have in your phone. So here it is. Check the length of your music file. If it's not long enough, you can always add till it gets to the end of the video. To save your file, click this option at the top right. Wait till it is 100% and save to camera roll. You'll be asked to save to camera roll, and the moment you've done that, make sure you move your file to another folder, because the moment you edit another video, it is going to rewrite this one. That's what I noticed about this app. Thank you so much for watching, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your time. Bye.